Yo, what's up guys? Me again, PJ. Yo, and this afternoon guys, we are here at Ayala Center, Cebu. And this afternoon, we are going to watch Terminator Dark Fate. So, shout out sa tanang fans ni Arnold Schwarzenegger and of course ni Sarah Connor and ni John Connor. Yon. So, this afternoon guys, we'll see if this will be the same feel kumbaga katong first two nga Terminators nga, which is ingon nila the best Terminator to no, ang katong Terminator 1 and of course katong Terminator 2 nga Judgment Day, katong 1991 patong Judgment Day. And apparently dagan nag Terminators ang dagan nag Terminators ang nigawas. So, daghang Terminators and I mean, daghang movies ang gipagawa sila ng Terminator, di ba? Na katong katong 3, katong Rise of the Machines, and katong Salvation, and of course na katong Genesis, di ba? But that's the latest one. So, kaning Dark Fate kay you do away with the other Terminators kuno, kay this is the direct sequel atong Terminator 2 nga Judgment Day. So katong moto siya. So kaning Dark Fate is just the sumpay, the continuation of the Judgment Day. So hopefully this will be a good one. Yon.
Buenos días, Mona.
Hi.
Hace 2 días tenía una vida muy simple.
¿Qué onda, pa?
Hey, buenos días.
Digo, let's go. We're running late.
Pero se volvió una pesadilla.
Sí.
Buenas. Se encuentra Daniela Ramos.
That is not your father. What? Come with me, or you're dead in the next 30 seconds.
Hay una máquina que me quiere matar.
Go faster, faster! Why us? You, Danny. You're my mission. What is that? I don't know.
My name is Sarah Connor. I hunt Terminators. Enough of a resume for you.
How do we stop this thing?
I'm going to help you change the future.
I'm done running. I'm gonna stand and fight! You can't die, Danny. you don't make it. Everybody dies.
Why not just let me have her?
Because we're not machines, you metal mother.
So we just finished watching Terminator Dark Fate, and what can I say? Hasta la vista, baby. Yeah, or come with me if you wanna live. Oh, diba? But seriously, I think okay naman ang if you want ka na mga action pack nga mga scenes, katong the same nga formula to Terminator 1 and katong Terminator 2 nga Judgment Day, katong na yung mga car chase, katong mga trucks, and katong mga thrilling nga scenes nga you would think nga mamatay na or madakpa na bida kana mga car chase kana basically kana mga explosions and mga helicopters and kana mga kompleto nga mga firepower kana mga pinasila. If you want those kind of action, so you should watch Terminator Dark Fate, di ba? So it's a thumbs up, but story-wise I think medyo kulang, medyo nabitin ko sa story nga. I think they use the same story plot sa katong going back, guys. I believe that they use the same formula mga to Terminator 1 and katong Judgment Day nga katong the same story plot, kumbaga nga katong there's someone from the future would hunt down katong eventually that would make the human win over kaning the machines, kumbaga. So wala siya the same plot, the same formula kato na yung mga car chase and kanang mga scenes nga gigukod sila sa bago nga this time it's an upgraded nga Terminator, so mas kuyaw siya, but wala na siya. Ang storyline niya is basically I think they are just recycling the storyline of the mga old Terminator, and I believe like fans out there that medyo madismaya man sa storyline that this is not the one that they would want. This so the English they would want the story would happen, kumbaga. Like ang story ilang ganahan siguro, but for me, in my case personally, I like the movie, di ba? I like the if ganahan lang ka mo enjoy sa movie, relax, kumbaga katong mga battle scenes and mga action and feeling mo definitely for mga Terminator fans out there, it's still a must watch. So muna siya, guys. For me, it's still a good to go movie, especially sa mga Terminator fans out there. So if ganahan mo action packed nga movie, watch Terminator Dark Fate. So wala siya. So once again, guys, it's me, PJO, for another movie review, and this time is the Terminator Dark Fate. So it's still showing, guys, so if you have time, catch it, guys, watch it and enjoy the movie, di ba? Hasta la vista, baby. Di ba? Yun. I'll be back later, guys. Watch out for my full movie review. Yun. Yo, what's up, yo? It's me again, PJ, yo. So we just finished watching Terminator Dark Fate. So we watched it at Ayala Center a while ago. So now I'm going to make a full movie review about the Dark Fate Terminator. I think most of you, or I think most of us, I mean, are fans of Terminator, and in this Terminator, actually, I think medyo disappointed gamay ang nagag fans out there of Terminator, right? So I would rate this movie probably at 5.5 out of 10. Yun, diba? So medyo ubos guys, because taas kay kong expectation of the movie, right? Because it's been a while man nga they released, this is the third sequel of the movie Terminator, kumbaga. So, actually, daghan Terminators before, di ba? Katong Terminator 1, 2. Actually, those are the moto'y pinakasikat gyud ang at the start katong Terminator 1 and of course the Terminator 2 katong Judgment Day. So after that, di ba na atong Rise of the Machine, the Terminator 3. So after that na Terminator Salvation, then Terminator Genesis, and now this is the Terminator Dark Fate, kumbaga. So daghan sequels, kumbaga, but apparently kani nga movie ilang gidisregard kato mga ilang mga previous nga movies. So this is just the kaning sequel of katong Terminator 2 Judgment Day. So kumbaga ato i-erase na kato Rise of the Machine, kato mga Salvation and Genesis. So mo na siya, guys. So I think that's the main problem of this franchise kaning Terminator is ang continuation bitaw, ang continuation sa story, and many are at a loss na, kumbaga, kung unsa ni nahitabo, di ba? Natay katong mga Cyberdyne, then nahimog nahimog Skynet, then Genesis, then and karon ilan sang unsay tawag ani, back to the past. So medyo walay continuation bitaw ang story, and I think that's one of the reasons nga medyo wala siya, it's not doing well at the box office hit. So kumbaga wala kayo siya ni kita sa mga fans o sa mga moviegoers out there. So mo na siya, guys. So today, let's talk about atong himay-himay kung ngano what is missing in this Terminator movie kaning Dark Fate. So we'll talk about first is ang iyang story. So I mentioned a while ago nga this is just the sequel atong Judgment Day. So just recap of what happened to Judgment Day, di ba? Say tawag ani, dibalik si Arnold Schwarzenegger, but this time dili na siya ang bida na siya, kumbaga gi-reprogram siya from the future, gi-send back siya ni John Connor, of course, to protect Sarah Connor and of course John Connor, di ba? So moto siya, and there's another Terminator ato nga si katong T-1000, di ba? So moto siya ang story, and successfully the T-800 or Arnold Schwarzenegger was able to kaning defend kaning si John Connor or si Sarah Connor, and eventually they stopped kaning gitawag nga Judgment Day from happening, di ba? So napildi nila katong si T-1000, and moto siya ang ending ato, if you can recall, di ba? Na-terminate pod si T-800 or si Arnold Schwarzenegger kay iyang decision was dapat ma-destroy to katong chip nga moto eventually manggamiton nga to make kaning Skynet or katong program that would eventually find the humans as threat. So moto ilang gi-eliminate ang humans, so moto nag-lead sa katong war between machines and the human. So moto siya, guys. So we thought that's the end na, di ba? So and after di ba, na kaning Rise of the Machine, balik na sad si Arnold Schwarzenegger and kani si John Connor. Of course, dako na si John Connor here, and he was still he doesn't feel safe, kumbaga, because he really has this dream that the Judgment Day will happen, and true enough, they did not stop the Judgment Day from happening, but instead na-postpone lang siya. So this time it will be the Skynet na. So from Cyberdyne, the Skynet, and moto siya ang story atong Rise of the Machine. So unsay tawag ni, naka-survive man si John Connor, and of course moto siya ang story gyud ato is Judgment Day will still happen, kumbaga. So mo na to siya, guys. I think mo to siya ang pinakanindot nga the three nga movies, mo to siya ang pinakanindot na sa franchise sa Terminator, and kani this time ilang ibalik katong this is the sequel na of katong Judgment Day. So let's forget about katong Rise of the Machine. So at this point they stopped Cyberdyne, so they stopped Judgment Day. They thought they stopped it, but apparently naa na po ilain nga mo take over nga machine or kaning software nga or program nga mo would eventually lead to kaning Judgment Day in the future. So ilan na sang postpone kumbaga ang Judgment Day. So Judgment Day will eventually happen. So at this time lahi na ang kaning ilang i-defend because sa future nga resistance lahi na ang nagada. So ilan ang gilis na si John Connor, which is I think daghan kay mga na-disappoint nga mga fans ganong what happened to John Connor, guys. So just watch it, guys. I think daghan jud na dismaya sa story kaning Dark Fate what they did to John Connor, di ba? So mo na siya. So that's the plot basically. It's the same plot atong first nga Terminator and mo na siya na nibalik nailaing someone from the future. This time it's an augmented human. So enhanced ni siya nga human, so dili na Terminator ilang gipada from the future to defend kaning bagong leader sa resistance nga si Dani, so, which is a girl. So ilang gipada is kaning si Grace. Yun, si Grace from the future. She's a human, she's an augmented human, so na siya enhanced speed, enhanced strength, capabilities, and but na siya weakness. So watch the movie, guys, para makabalo mo sa weakness ani nga human nga si Grace that would defend kaning leader nila sa resistance nga si Dani. So basically that's the story. Murag similar lang, di ba, sa Judgment Day and mo na siya ang basically the plot is to defend and stop Judgment Day from happening, kumbaga, di ba? Ayan, murag the same formula that they use from the previous nga Terminator. Yon. So that's the story, guys, and of course let's talk about the cast. Di ba? So this time, guys, ang kato gi-change na nila ang leader sa resistance. This time this will be a girl, kani si Dani, di ba? So this will be played by Natalia. Yon, Natalia. And mo to siya ang medyo magdaghan na dismaya man actually nganong ilang gilisa si John Connor, di ba? Or daghan na emotionally attached na ni John Connor, and this time they changed the leader of the resistance, which is a girl. And ang ilang daghan comments man niya, maybe she's not fitting for the role because medyo gamay siya, medyo petite siya nga girl, and how could she carry katong mga weapons, and kumbaga mo na ilang mga comments, guys. And I think mo to siya dili kay siya action star og dating, di ba? Unlike katong previous nga Sarah Connor, katong bata nga Sarah Connor, I mean, ha, and of course si John Connor katong sa Salvation, di ba, which is very fit and masculine, and this time mo ni siya is a girl, more girl power yun ni siya ang cast ani, guys. Of course they also have here Sarah Connor, si Linda Hamilton, so medyo aging na si Linda Hamilton, guys, di ba? So kumbaga sa to lola na ni siya, grandmother kumbaga sa iyang age ani nga Dark Fate, di ba? So kato, so she's still acting katong tough nga personality, but I think mo na siya ang comments pud sa kasagaran is she looks frail na for her age, kumbaga, because medyo idala na gyud siya tanahon, and she's trying to look badass, kumbaga, kanang look very tough and so mo na siya, guys. I think okay man to siya, okay man to nga they brought back Sarah Connor, but ilan naman ang gipatay si Sarah Connor sa Rise of the Machine, di ba? And then they brought her back here sa Dark Fate, so medyo naglibog na ang mga tao, di ba? Kanong so mo na siya, guys. I think mo to siya, she's still effective man for what she does, di ba? Sa iyang character nga, she's still very tough and very convincing, and of course di ba, iyang she's angry, suko siya sa mga machines, kumbaga, so you can still feel her character, man. And of course another character katong from the future, katong what I mentioned ganiha, si Davis. She is portraying the role of katong human nga si Grace nga would defend sa kaning girl, si Dani. So, basically, di ba, mga girl power kay ni siya nga Terminator, ang three main cast kay girls, di ba? Sa Charlie's Angels siguro ni or anyway, I think ato siya is still effective man when you look at her, di ba? She's tall and she's very fit, and you could really see her as someone who could really defend katong resistance leader nga si Dani. So, effective to siya nga character. And of course, atong main character, si Arnold Schwarzenegger, I think medyo lolo na siya din nga Terminator, and I think daghan po disappointed sa mga fans that they really wanted to see more of Arnold and the T-800 before atong mga Terminators before nga daghan siya part sa movie. So kaning T-800 ng Arnold Schwarzenegger basically mura siya ni mellow down and dili na kay siya katong isog nga intimidating Terminator, maybe because he has aged, or maybe apart po sa iyang script, di ba, sa iyang character dito nga story, you wouldn't believe it, guys, what they did to the 800. Murag, wow, ingana na di si 800. So murag ni mellow down iyang character, so mo to siya. I think they kinda dismaya po sa character ni T-800 nganong naingato siya, di ba? But daghan man sa action nga part dito si Arnold, but I think not the kind of what the fans would really want to see, di ba? Nga kanang super nga grabe kay nga action. But I think daghan gyapon fans si Arnold Schwarzenegger because di ba, I'll be back. And he is indeed back with the action part ani nga mga scenes sa Terminator. So, and lastly, ang villain si pangalan ni sa villain I think medyo for me lang ha katong this time is a Rev-9, so this is a more advanced nga Terminator nga murag katong mo liquefies murag siya mo kasi twin nga machine then makagawa siya sa iyang body, and kana siya, di ba, it's more advanced, more kanang killer type kumbaga. And yeah, I remember the cast is Gabriel Luna, yon, di ba? So mo ni siya nagada sa Rev-9, or si Gabriel katong mo ni siyang killer nga Terminator who's out to kill kaning si Dani, or the resistance leader of the future kumbaga. So for me guys, for me medyo I don't know murag basta di gituin nila, but somehow murag dili siya as intimidating as the previous nga mga villain nga Terminators. For me guys, murag dili kay siya hadlok ba kumbaga, unlike atong mga previous Terminators nga murag sa ilang naong pa lang, sa ilang facial expression hadlok ka, di ba? And this time kaning Rev-9 somehow murag na siya yung mga funny face for me murag siya komedyante og naong somehow it's just my opinion guys so mo na siya kung tanaw mo siya pina Adam Sandler ba nga kanang funny na siya yung mga funny face kumbaga yon. So that's it for the cast guys. So basically ilang bring back si T-800, si Arnold Schwarzenegger, and si Linda Hamilton, diba? So that's a power cast kumbaga. So okay man ang cast for me, the cast is good. So ayos. So, that's it for the cast. So, talk about kani nga mga cinematic, mga effects. Nindot man siya cinematics, nindot siya effects. But, yeah. I think mo lang dito siya ang lacking is the story. Kumbaga, medyo weak siya og storyline guys. For me marag ila lang itong gibalik itong the Judgment Day will still happen and they need to defend na sad kani nga lahi nga leader sa resistance, which is for me marag ilan na nagamit before, so medyo sa tawag ni dismayado kumbaga mga fans sa Terminator yon. So maybe for me nga I think there's still hope for Terminator man, yet they would make a sequel nga what the fans would really want, di ba? For me as a fan, I've seen man the tanang Terminators from the start, di ba? And for me, I would like to see nga kani si T-800 naabot na yun siya sa Judgment Day, di ba? Although he's old, di ba? Katong line pa ni Arnold, he's old but not obsolete. Di ba? Akong ganahan nun tayo is na siya sa Judgment Day, and di ba marag ka na say tawagan ni the last stand kumbaga, siya ang last hope sa pag-save sa kaning mankind, of course with John Connor. So I think that would be a great team, di ba? John Connor o kaning si T-800, si Arnold Schwarzenegger, and they are up against kaning mga machines, di ba? Mura siya Judgment Day yun that is really happening, and sila ang last hope. And I don't know how would they make the story nga murag very, di ba? Action kayo, if you can imagine, di ba? Daghang kayo mga kaaway nga mga machines, mga robots, and here we have John Connor and of course T-800 saving the day. I think that would be really amazing, and I think that would really be kaning unsay ganahan sa mga fans, and I think that would end the franchise with a bang, kumbaga, di ba? So dili man pwede sige na nilang balik-balik kaning Terminator in the same story, di ba? So I think they should really end it with a bang. So katula akong murag mahunanaan nga suggestion, guys, is di ba murag Judgment Day and here comes T-800 and John Connor saving the day. Oh, di ba? That would be really amazing. Oh, di ba? So, muna to siya akong movie review, guys. I think, muna to siya. Medyo lacking siya sa story. But ang mga fight scenes and the effects, okay man. But there were some part of the movie nga, marag, dragging siya. Unlike before nga, marag ka na intense bitaw kaya that you would really feel nga they are being chased by the villain Terminator. Kani, there were some mga moments nga, unsa man ni, marag dugay agud maabot sa killer nga Terminator, di ba? Daghan pa sila chit chat na. But mo to siya, I think that was the lacking element sa kaninga movie is katong feel nga marag it's really a scary Terminator, maybe because ilang maybe PG-13 ni siya, di ba? They didn't bank for katong R18 nga grabe og kaning mga violence ana, so maybe that's also the reason, di ba? But for me, I think they should have stick to the katong mga medyo violent siya, but that would really maingganyo ang mga fans ng Terminator, di ba? Because that's what they really wanted to see, kumbaga, di ba? Katong intense feeling that they are really being chased by the villain Terminator. Wala kay ko naka-feel ana. So wala kay ko na-handlock ani nga villain nga Terminator, as what I've mentioned a while ago, di ba? So mo to siya. And I think the fans of Terminator should still watch this, di ba? Kumbaga, di ba? At least nakasubaybay gihapon sa kung saan na nilang gibuhat sa Terminator franchise. But if ako lang, kato akong suggestion is they would end it with a bang. Yon. So it's up to you guys if you watch mo, but dili kay taas a rating for me. But as a fan of Terminator, I would still watch kaninga movie because of, di ba, T-800, di ba, si I'll be back. Oh, di ba? And hasta la vista, baby. Di ba? Those were famous lines before nga. I think that daghang gyapon nag-atang, daghang gyapon ganahan mo tan-aw ani nga Terminator. So I guess that's it for my movie review, guys. So it's up to you guys if you would watch it, but if real fan of Terminator, you should watch it. Although mo lang to siya kung medyo madismay mo gamay as a fan, as also a fan of Terminator. So yeah, so that's it, guys, for my movie review. I hope you have learned something, man, for this movie review, and I hope that you would stick around for my next upcoming mga videos. Daghan kog mga upcoming videos, guys, mga movie reviews, mga travel vlogs, food vlogs, kaning self-improvement, and a lot more. So stay tuned, guys, and of course, if you have anything to say about Terminator, guys, please comment below, and of course, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and thank you for watching, guys, and of course, I'll be back. Di ba? So have a good day, guys. Have a great day.